25 years of engineering judgment, 4 continents, dozens of projects, and no one asked his opinion on the new software. The firm rolled out BIM. The young engineers learned it in days. The senior engineers struggled. Leadership measured speed. They should have measured judgment. Here's what AI cannot do yet. Recognize a failure pattern from a project 20 years ago. Feel why a foundation detail makes you nervous. Know which client relationship will save a project. Pattern recognition, risk intuition, political navigation, relationship depth. These take decades. No algorithm has them yet. The firms that win will pair digital fluency with deep expertise, not choose one over the other. Full case study linked below.
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.